Hi everyone, I am Perumal. I am basically from Tirupattur, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation BTech Computer Science in 2017 batch from Podi College of Engineering and Technology, Tirupattur. After completing my graduation, I passed for a date for geological engineering. I am not satisfied my geological engineering field, so I would be planned for IT sector. So I want to improve my skills and logical thinking. Then I searched for institutions. My brother would be suggested for Jspiders Rajajinagar. I would join it and got for good HRs and good trainers. I would be improved and searched for good IT sectors. Now I got job. So thank you for all HRs and Jspiders and all trainers. Thank you so much.